Matthew? Good morning.
Morning. Day 6.
Your coffee smells good. Today we are going to ride only 22 miles, but we are going to gain about 5,500 feet of altitude. So
Climbing day.
lots of climbing.
But at least there'll be a lot of downhill.
Not today, tomorrow. Today's just up.
Up, no downhill.
No downhill, bud. Sorry, man. And we're going to cross into Utah.
I have a joke for you, actually.
Okay, let's hear it.
Yeah. How do you know that it is fall time in Utah?
Oh, I don't know.
License plates turn green.
You get it?
Colorado, Rocky Mountain High.
All right, let's make some breakfast. No udders needed here. This is how we make milk. Hey, look, Matthew, 2 boxes of salted nut rolls.
Yeah.
Yum.
See, this is proof. Everybody wants them, so they just keep stocking them more.
Yeah, or the other theory of that is nobody wants them, and these have been here since 1937. Scratch Labs makes some interesting flavors, and this one is miso and crushed red pepper. Interesting. Usually I like my bars kind of sweet, but this could be nice. We'll find out. Thank you, beautiful hut here.
Boogers first.
Let's see. Nope, you're booger free.
We're clean.
It's a Saturday morning. We're gonna ride our bikes, and you know what that means? No crashes, no flatties, no whammies. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Just look at this sky. Look at that beautiful sky. Look at this world. Here we go, starting the uphill, heading up out of this valley, that way. Oh yeah, we're gaining altitude quick. This is definitely a steep road, one of the steepest I've ridden up in a long time. I don't know how cars would do this in the winter. Maybe they don't. Man. Whew. Good way to wake up on a Saturday morning. This road just keeps going and going and going. Yeah. Come on, legs. Come on, legs. I thought we were close to the top. Back there a ways. That way. Man, we are high. Woo! Woo! Yeah! It's a little bit windy out here. Woo! We definitely rode ourselves up into a new ecosystem. We're back in the Alpine. It's much cooler. Very nice. This is a pretty relentlessly uphill day. We thought we were mostly done with the uphill after that crazy rim road out of the valley, but we're still climbing. Those legs are still pumping. Pretty. Look at this cool snake. They're so amazing. There's a reason why I love these guys when I was a kid. Do you want to see it closer or are you good?
I'm good, I think. Thank you.
It's time for a state line happy dance. I've been doing this since 2009. Let's do it now, all right, let's do it. Endless uphill. Whew. But the benefit of going higher is we're back in the aspen forest. Oh God. I've never felt so special. All these cows just getting out of the way for us. Why isn't traffic like this? I feel kind of bad. We just made those cowboys' jobs a lot tougher. They're doing a cattle drive, and all the cows were heading down the road like a bunch of obedient cows, and then we came along and sent them all flying. Keep on thinking we're done with climbing. Nope, never, not today. Oh my God, we made it. That was one of the hardest days I've had on a bike in a long time. Oh, we did it! That was harder than I thought it was gonna be, for sure.
Yeah, I started doing the Leadville 100 chant.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Yeah, you are better than you think you are. You can do more than you think you can.
Yeah.
You're stronger than you think you are. You can do more than you think you can.
Boom.
Boom.
Oh God.
That was a good one.
Matthew made himself a Frito pie, look at that. And I made bean extravaganza with rotel and green chilies. And of course, some M&Ms. It is such a nice feeling to get done with a very hard ride and within minutes be able to make awesome food. It makes such a difference in the recovery. Now don't get me wrong, I love my bike, but I always feel a little bit more connected to nature when I'm just walking around my own 2 feet. It's amazing how quickly you can forget the pain of biking. When you're off for a while and you start walking around a beautiful area like this, and you're like, wow, I was on my bike today? Yeah, you were, dummy. And it got you here. This is so beautiful. I have not seen an aspen grove like this going off in a long time, and I love it. I love the smell of the leaves on the ground. I really enjoy fall. I like when the temperatures cool down a little bit. A little bit, not a lot. I'm not a huge fan of winter, but I do love fall. I love these colors. Crackers, cheese, chips, chunky vegetable soup. Amazing week. One more amazing day. This is like the best week we could ever ask for. If you do this trip in the middle of summer, it is so hot. But we've just got the best of fall, crisp temperatures. Mornings are cool. Afternoons are perfectly warm. And the bikes have been great. I'm really enjoying those Pinion gearboxes. They work. You know, you switch the gears, they go. No messing around with derailleurs and stuff. Dust hasn't really affected them. What do you think about them?
So it was interesting looking at the journal earlier. So there's a journal in each of these huts that have people's experiences. And there were so many experiences about people, you know, breaking a chain, cassette being loose, you know, having a derailleur issue, and we have none of that. So that's been great. We just get on our bike and we pedal.
Yeah.
And we've gone through sand and we've gone through mud, about 165 miles of, you know, of mountain biking.
Yeah.
And I haven't had to lube it once. So that's been really great.
And tomorrow we have the whole enchilada, about 30 miles of raging downhill all the way into Moab. Good night.